house is here in Austin, Texas. We have a patio here with gets a lot of sun. We started looking for an awning option, a pergola. I started looking, I believe I quoted with 3 companies. What I like about Awning for patio is that they were the ones that came and pretty much customized the pergola to my house, what I needed. They came and spent about a week installing the product. It was above my expectations. We have had a lot of compliments about the product. The quality is amazing. It has lights all around. It opens. We pretty much can do whatever based on the weather. We're pretty happy. I really recommend them.